Okay. Oh, that sounds like, yeah, we'll keep the furniture. Fuck yeah. Sounds great. Jesus Christ. This is depressing. Okay. Don't worry. Oh my god. Oh my god, did you fucking hear that? Did you hear that? Did you hear that? That scared me. Oh my god. I got like air trapped in my throat because of like I've been like sick, so I'm all phlegmy. I don't know who that was. I don't know who that was. Someone just took over. Who was that? That was so scary. So I need to pause the game. I'm gonna have to hear that. I'm gonna need to play that. Don't worry. That was horrifying. That was so scary. Oh my god. It literally sounded like a different person like behind me. It was so scary. Don't worry. Has that ever happened where like something like it's stuck in your throat and your voice becomes another human? I swear, that's a thing that happens. Real voice leaked. That's so fucked up. That was horrifying. That was the scariest thing that's ever happened to me. Okay, I have tears in my eyes. Oh my god. Oh my god. It keeps the sound keeps replaying in my head. Don't worry. Holy god. Okay. How do we buy a house?